Breaking tonight, Whitehall will end its mask order starting Monday. This comes as the CDC launched a new system for determining what COVID safety measures to use in your county. It's a color-coded system with 3 levels. You see it here: green, yellow, orange. Masking is recommended only in the orange, and that applies to schools. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Yolanda Harris.
And I'm Andrew Kinsey. Essentially, the CDC is recommending masking for high-risk communities. Here in Ohio, we have areas that are in the green, yellow, and orange. Locally, a mask mandate remains in place right here in Columbus, which is yellow according to this new CDC ranking.
10 TV's Lindsay Mills spoke to a medical expert and local business owners for their take on the change in guidance. Lindsay?
Yolanda and Andrew, the CDC did not come out and say, okay, everybody, it's time to take the masks off. What they did do is provide updated guidance based on where you live. This is the new color-coded system from the CDC to show the risk of COVID-19 in your county. The level is determined based on the number of COVID cases and hospitalizations. In Columbus, a location that falls into the CDC's new yellow category, a mask mandate remains in place. And local business owners say while safety is a top priority, they are eager to welcome more diners back now that cases are down.
I think as they continue to go down and as we continue to listen to the health professionals and really watch those numbers, as a business, I feel like that enforcement becomes a little bit more tiresome for an already exhausted community that works in the food and beverage industry.
After 2 years, so we're seeing some more indoor dining. Our carryout sales are still higher than they were prior to COVID. But, we're still digging out of that hole after 2 years of a pretty rocky ride.
While case numbers are down in central Ohio, hospitalizations are as well. Infectious disease experts like Dr. Mark Herbert from Mount Carmel say preventing transmission of the virus is still important.
I think it's just important to recognize that the decreased rates in the community are because of all the public health measures that we've had in place. So this is not yet the time to relax public health measures.
And it's important to note nothing has changed yet regarding the federal mask mandate for transportation. That will remain in effect through March 18th. Live in Columbus, Lindsay Mills, 10 TV News.
Thank you, Lindsay. And nothing has changed regarding the federal mask mandate for transportation. Now, Lindsay, you can read more about what Lindsay was talking about in this decision, along with our other breaking stories on 10tv.com. You can also get alerted through our free app.